original, universal. After the clothes are put in, put the detergent, plug in the socket, and pull on. The screen is a touch. Basic functions of the washing machine: spin speed, temperature, soak, program. Okay, delay, pull on, pull off. Here I choose the quick wash model. Okay, start. Let me pull off and test the memory function. After pull on, it keeps the settings before pull off. Okay, it has memory function. It is working now. The original control is the rotate control. Okay.